Hey everyone, welcome to how to browse our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Canva on PC. So what you need to do is to tap on launch the Canva right here, because if you click on that, it will direct you to Canva for Windows. And if you don't see that button, just go to your browser, go here in the search bar and write Canva for Windows, and here you'll see download the Canva desktop app for free. And now you can install Canva on computer. Just tap on start, download. If you're a Mac OS user, just tab on Mac OS, okay, and tab on download, okay. But because I'm a Windows user, just tab on start download, and now wait a couple of seconds. So now guys, after downloading the app, just open Canva setup. Okay, wait a couple of seconds, installing, please wait. By the way guys, this is the official Canva app, so there's not any suspicious files or malware. You can actually check yourself on this website, virustal.com. Okay, just drag this and you can put it right here. Alright. There's no virus in this application, as you can see. No security vendors, okay. Nothing detected. So you're good to go. We just install now Canva. As you can see, just log okay, just log now in your Canva account. You need to log first in your browser, and then it will log automatically in your Canva app. Now guys, we have Canva installed on our computer, so it works without any problem. Look here, we have Canva. So I hope this video provides you with value. Now guys, see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching this video.